In this video, we will review Virgin Money Investment Account. Virgin Money offers investment account through its Virgin Money Investment Services, providing a wide range of stocks and shares ISAs, general investment accounts and more. Virgin Money partners with Standard Life Investments, giving users access to a variety of funds, including equities, bonds and mixed investment portfolios. The platform is designed to cater to both novice and more experienced investors, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools to help manage your investment. Virgin Money Stocks and Shares ISA allows for a tax-efficient investment, meaning you can grow your investment without paying any capital gains or income tax on the returns. The platform may not have an extensive range of investment options compared to larger, more specialised platforms such as Vanguard or Fidelity. Its fee structure can be slightly higher for certain investment products. Additionally, Virgin Money investment tools are somewhat basic. This might not satisfy the active average trader or those who are looking for advanced research features. Overall, Virgin Money is a solid choice for those who are looking for a straightforward and accessible approach to investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.